Coze versus n8n AI automation platforms explained. Choosing the right automation tool can transform how you streamline workflows without complex coding. We'll explore Coze's simplicity and n8n's flexibility to help you decide. Coze and n8n are both powerful AI automation platforms designed to connect apps and automate tasks. The core difference lies in Coze's user-friendly, no-code approach versus n8n's open-source, highly customizable workflow builder aimed at developers and advanced users. Coze is a no-code AI automation platform focused on simplicity and speed. It allows users to build automated workflows by connecting popular apps through an intuitive visual interface. Coze leverages AI to help automate repetitive tasks like data entry, notifications, and integrations without writing any code. Its strengths lie in ease of use, quick setup, and a smooth onboarding experience, making it ideal for business users, marketers, and small teams who want automation without technical barriers. Coze supports a range of popular apps and offers AI-driven suggestions to optimize workflows. However, its no-code design limits deep customization and complex logic compared to developer-centric platforms. It may not suit users needing advanced integrations or full control over workflow internals. Overall, Coze excels as a straightforward automation tool for users who prioritize speed and simplicity over technical depth. n8n is an open-source AI automation platform built for flexibility and customization. It enables users to create complex workflows by connecting over 300 different apps and services using a visual editor with powerful logic capabilities. Unlike no-code platforms, n8n allows for custom coding and advanced data transformations, making it a favorite among developers and technical teams. Its open-source nature means users can self-host for full control and security or use a managed cloud service. n8n's strengths include extensibility, detailed workflow control, and a large community contributing integrations and nodes. This makes it suitable for businesses with complex automation needs or IT teams requiring tailored solutions. However, n8n has a steeper learning curve and setup time, especially for non-technical users. While it offers immense power, it demands more expertise to unlock its full potential. In summary, n8n is best for users who want deep customization and control over automation workflows. Comparing Coze and n8n highlights a trade-off between simplicity and power. Coze offers a quick, no-code path to automation, perfect for users who want to automate common tasks without technical skills. It shines in marketing, sales, and small business environments where speed matters more than custom logic. On the other hand, n8n provides a flexible, open-source platform ideal for complex workflows and integrations requiring custom code or self-hosting. It suits developers and IT teams managing enterprise-grade automation. For example, a marketing team might prefer Coze to automate email campaigns effortlessly, while a software company might choose n8n to integrate internal APIs and build multi-step processes. The choice depends on your technical comfort and automation complexity. Choose Coze if you need fast, easy automation without coding. It's perfect for small teams and business users focused on productivity and simplicity. Opt for n8n if you require advanced customization, open-source flexibility, and the ability to build complex workflows. Its power suits developers and technical teams aiming for tailored automation solutions. Both platforms excel, so pick the one that fits your skill level and needs.